Hey guys, so someone asked me to make a tutorial after I uploaded my video of the head, so I'm gonna make one for how I add weapons in. The first thing you're gonna want to get is Autodesk Maya 2015. You can get this for free if you're a student, and I prefer 2015 because of the plugins we're gonna download, which is Tom Crowley's T-Anim plugin, and depending on which game you want to get it out of, Ghost or Advanced Warfare, Lime 64, Lemon. This is for Ghost and Advanced Warfare. Lemon is for all of them, so you definitely want to get Lemon and Lime. So your two variables are Lime 64 and Lime. So you're going to want the T-Anim plugin, Lemon, and Lime 64 or Lime dependent. You're also going to want to download this, COD export tools for Maya. Let's see. So first thing is first, you are going to want to extract the model you're going to want to use. So I want to update the oh fuck, wrong game. I'm going to want to update the perk bottles that you drink from. Ooh, Black Ops, you're making my life hard, aren't you? Okay, so launch Black Ops 2. And let's hope Origins doesn't take too long to load this time, because it took 50 years to load last time. So once you get Lime and Lemon, those two things are needed if you want to extract animations and models from your games. So currently I'm going to extract the one of the perk models. So how about the updated Juggernog one? That sounds good. I'm waiting for this to load now. Let's hope it doesn't fucking break again. Come on. Don't break, come on. Just load in. Load in. That's all you need to do. Load in. Well, I doubt it's gonna load in, so let me just try and do this from this menu. Come on. Okay, File Explorer. So I'm gonna go to my desktop and go to where Lime is located. So Lime, go to open up Lime. Black Ops 2, you sure are doing well. Ooh, taking up all my disk space, huh? I like that. Anything else taking up disk space? Nope. Oh. Anti-malware, I guess. So let's list the models. Load the models. Oh, so everything is loaded. So I'm going to look up perk. Jug, export selected. Jug, export selected. You're going to want the world model and the view model. Let's go to our export and make sure all the images loaded. Okay, the images have loaded. Oh, Call of Duty, you decided to load right now, huh? So once you're in the game, or in that menu, you're going to want to load up Lemon and Lime. So I'm going to load up Lemon now. And it'll ask you to make an account on a forum or something. Log in with that, and then load it up, and then it'll do its work. I've already extracted it, but I'll just do it again. It's very fast. Depending on the computer, I guess. But there's a lot of animations and zombies. Because it takes it from, I believe, every map. Or it takes all the common files and this one. So it's taken, yeah, it's taken all the gun files currently. So now that we have our animations, since I'm done, I've already got all the animations, so I'm going to grab these. Ooh, what's taking on my disk? Apparently something is. So you want to take all these from exported. There will be 3 files: images, your view model, and your world model, depending on what you want. Then I'm going to go quickly. So you're going to want to go to your Call of Duty Black Ops. You're also going to want to have the mod tools installed. So you're going to go to Call of Duty Black Ops, model export. Whoa, way backwards. Mods. Create a new folder. I'm going to name this one ZM_perks. Create a new folder. Jug. What is taking up my disk space? Anti-mal. Here, I'll put it with 2 G's. Paste this stuff in to here. Open up your, you're going to want Photoshop or something that can turn a DDS to a TGA, which are both picture formats. Here, I'll pause this until Photoshop loads up. Oh, never mind, it loaded up. Cool. Well, now it's loading again, so let me pause it. Okay, so it loaded up. We're good. So this is currently what the image is. I believe this is what it should be. So you're going to want to go to File, Save As, change it to a Targa file, click Save, and click OK for here. And I believe that's all you do for this part. So you take that for all your DDS textures and you turn those into Targa files. Delete the DDS when you're done with it. I get rid of the G in front of it. What the fuck? Okay, so now comes the weird part. You're gonna want to go back to your you're gonna want to go to your lemon folder, go to your export, Black Ops 2, ZM, look up the name of the gun that you're taking. So I'm going to look up perk. I'm going to take all the animations, I'm going to copy them. You're going to go back to your Call of Duty folder. You're going to go to Xanim export, mods, create a new folder, name it the same as your other folder in your models, create another folder, name it what you're making currently, like the gun, and then paste in the animations you have, create a new folder called Xanim, and then we're done with the animations currently, for the time being. Okay, so now, we're going to open up the model in Maya. But first what we do is I will open up a model that has already been loaded before so that the textures don't fuck up. So let's grab the beacon that I have. Let's open up the beacon. This is a very weird thing that happens here. I haven't seen what's up with it, but the best solution I've seen is to have a model that is already pre-rendered, so I can see what I can do about that. But okay, so now the textures are good for me. So Now I go to Jug, View. So let's do the view model first. Okay. So I think this is a... oh, these are the bind files. So you're going to have your model here, and there should be something called bind, and you drag that in, and that'll bind everything to everything. So now you're going to want to go to Hypershade in Window Rendering Editors. So Hypershade will load, and you'll notice these balls here. So you're going to click on the ball. Oh, okay. So once you click on it, this menu should appear right here on the side. Click on there, and then go to your images folder from your in your model export. So go to images, and then right there the name says Jug Coal, which means color. So you click on it, it loads the thing up here. So that's one of your textures. Where did my Hypershade go? Hypershade. I believe that one should be transparent, but there are some things that should not be transparent that become transparent. This looks a bit weird. Yeah, this looks a bit wonky. Yeah, I'm going to make that non-transparent. So what you're going to want to do is click backspace there, click out color, color. Yeah, that looks better. Up there looks good transparent, but I don't know about down there. So currently we have our Juggernog soda bottle. So I'm going to click Save Scene As, Base, .minabinary. And what that is this is our base model for the animations we're going to make. So now what I did here was when I was in Black Ops 2, I grabbed a set of view hands. So you can type in like hands when you're in the thing, in Lime. So I downloaded Misty's hands. So what I do is I drag the hands onto here. Well, you're going to want to open up. So this is save. So get a pair of hands, basically, is what I'm saying. And once you have the hands, open them up and drag in the bind again. Click save. Open up your Juggernog bottle, which is what I'm going to call it because that's what I have currently. Jug, view. So open up your bottle location. So open up base. And what you're going to want to do is grab the hands. So you're going to have this MA file. Once you save it after dragging in the binds, drag it in. And you should see that the hands are near it. So I believe there is a J gun. So once the hands are in, go up to Tom's BMX, which is one of the things you installed. Join weapon to rig, and the gun should move like this. So now you're going to click File, Save Scene As, Main Anim Model, because this is the main animation model. So I name it Main Anim Model. So now that that's in, you are going to open up the location of where you saved the animations, the T-anims. So you're going to go to X-anim export, mods, name of your mod, jug. So the first one will be drink. So let's drag that in, see what happens. I'm going to set up a camera so we can see what that looks like from the face area. Let's see. Change my panel to my camera. So let's see what that looks like. So that looks much better. So now I'm going to go back to my regular perspective. And now that that's good, we will click this button right here. There's a button right here on the side. It'll open up this area thing. So what you're going to want to click is C Zomgirl, whatever your hand thinks, tag view, tag ADS. You're going to click tag Cambone, tag torso, edit, select hierarchy, Call of Duty tools, export X-anim. So now as you can see down here, these are your frames. You're going to click 65, or you're going to type in for your frames 0 to the amount of frames that there are. So I usually click this button. That brings me to the end, which will show me how many frames there are in total. So you need to save every single frame, or this animation will look weird and end early. So now you click the 3 dots, and this is going to be the name of your thing. So you're going to go mods, ZM perks, jug, X-anim, and I'm going to save this as drink. I'm going to click save selection, export selected, no. Because you have to click no at that point when it asks you to save, or you're going to have to redo the view model with the hands. So now we're going to click file, open scene, paste in the area where the anim model is, and now we have the hands again. So now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to drag in the idle animation, and you're just going to do this for every single animation you have. Luckily, this only has 3 animations. So I'm going to put 7 here. I'm going to go into here, mods, ZM perks, jug, X-anim, idle, save selection, export selected, no. So now we're on the final animation for me. This might take you a bit. So now we're going to go down to lower, which looks like drink for some reason. Okay, cool. So we're going to do select hierarchy again. X-anim, 65. They look the exact same, which is weird, but it's fine. So now I'm gonna save this one as, what is it called? Lower. And now we're gonna open the scene. We're gonna go to our view thing. We're gonna go into our base.mb, don't save. We're gonna hold control, click on joints, and still holding control, click on perks, click edit, select hierarchy, Call of Duty tools, export X model. You're going to want to go to mods, your thing, jug, and you're going to, or whatever it's called, and save it as view model underscore the weapon name. Click save selection, export selected, no. So now we have our view model for it, and now we edit, open scene, open the animation model, don't save it, control click on all of them, click edit, select hierarchy, Call of Duty tools, export X model, and we're going to save this one as the anim model. Save selection, export selected, no. So now we've done all the animations, we're going to do the world model, which is basically what you'd see if you looked at it on the wall. So let's see. Open one of your world model files, because there's probably going to be multiple ones of them. Don't be alarmed if this one doesn't have a binds, because I've seen multiple weapons that are world models not have binds. Is this a bind? Okay, this one has a bind. So you're going to drag in your bind. Was that the right thing that I dragged in? I don't think that was the right thing. Redo. Because usually a bind would make it purple. Yep. So now I'm going to save that. But first, before we save, we're going to go into Hyper Shade, and we are going to we're going to have this menu open up again. double click call, make it non-transparent. Okay, and we're going to save this as the base also. Make sure you don't save it in the same file location as the other base. So we're going to now file, open, base, select the join, send that again, select hierarchy, X model, save this as the world model underscore jug. Save, export. So now we have our world model, our view model, and our animation model, and all of our animations. So we're making good progress. So next you open up your Call of Duty mod tools, and you're going to want to well, okay, first open up your Call of Duty mod tools, go into your Call of Duty files, go into mods, new folder, name it the name of your mod. So now you click this drop down menu here, go into it, click edit zone source, that'll make a mod.csv right there, and that is exactly what we want. So we're going to go to, now that's for later. So we're going to go into Asset Manager. New. And you're going to want to go down to, where's material? Material. So you're going to want to go into material. Click new entry. And now go to where your world model and your view model is located. Open it with Notepad++. Copy the texture names into there. So now we have one of them. So we're going to make it a model fong, none. The dots here are for the images. Oh, this is for my minigun, whoops. Okay, perks, jug, images. So you're going to want to put the COL one for the color map. And you're going to want to put the NML one for the normal map. Press F10, cancel. Ooh, this GDT is read-only. This is weird. Why is this GDT read-only? Give me a second. Okay, GDT. New. Text document. Fuckoff.gdt. Okay, perfect. So we have a fuckoff.gdt file. Open. Cool. Go to model export, fuckoff.gdt. Ooh. Well, you should have one open by default. So this is going to be the one, this is the one that I use usually for my other guns. So let me just use this one for the time being. New entry, paste in your model name, or your material name. Model fong, none. ZM perks, cull, normal. Press F10, cancel. Then this thing should drop on. Don't worry, this is normal. It'll say assets converted. Hit any key to continue. So you hit the key. And then you do the next model, or the next material. For me, it's perk bottle jug. So you're going to click copy entry, depending if you want to, or you want to make it harder for yourself. I usually click copy. And I believe, yep, these are both the same texture for me. For you, they will be different. So what you're going to want to do, if they're different, at the end here, it'll say what the image name is. So you're going to want to replace these two images, one of these images, the cull image with the cull one, and the NML image with the NML one. Some of them won't have a normal map, which is what NML stands for, so you will just ignore it. Ignore the NML and just delete it. So let's see. Now I'm going to check my world model. I believe this is already a material I have, but just in case, you're going to want to convert all the assets for both. Some of them have overlapping ones. Oh, whoops. I pressed a button that I shouldn't have pressed. Okay, it already exists. Now I'm going to convert the assets, which is what F10 was doing, so I'm just doing that. Okay, good. So now we're done with materials. We're going to make X models. So you're going to do view model, and I'm going to put jug. You're going to click type, animated, file name, go to mods, your mod name, jug, view model underscore jug, F10, cancel. It should say perk bottle jug, perk bottle jug, perk bottle jug alpha. If it says, oh, it is missing a material, it's because you forgot to add one of your materials in the material phase, and you're going to have to go and do that. New entry, world model underscore jug. Nope. So I forgot to click copy, but I just need to do that. World model, F10, cancel. Okay, so now we have our things, and now we need to add the animations. So new, view model, jug, underscore idle. So for idle animate, you're going to want to click off use bones and make it a relative type. For idle animations, you're going to want to make it looping. Model file, it's going to be the anim model. .x model export, and for the animation you're going to choose your idle animation for the one named idle. Click F10, and it's going to go in, and then you do that for all your animations. So I think one of them is drink, make this one not looping, and the other one is lower. And the next one is lower. Let's click cancel. So now we have done all of the hard part. Now the next part is we are going to add the updated weapon. Every weapon, everything you hold in your hands in the game is a weapon, regardless of if it shoots bullets or does damage to things. It is always going to be a weapon. So Juggernog is a weapon. So I'm going to look up jug, perk bottle jug. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to this. By the way, this is in raw. Weapons SP. And if you don't have this, click F11 on or click converter right here, and it'll add it. So now that I have the jug, we're going to go into mods, ZM underscore perks, right click, new folder, weapons, right click, new folder, SP, paste in our zombie perk bottle jug. You cannot rename this, so do not plan on renaming these. You can only make weapons that will take over other weapon names. So open with, you're going to want to open this with Notepad. So now you're going to look for your view model, which is going to be named gun model. Change this to view model underscore jug. And now I'm going to click find jug. Okay. So now we're just replacing all of our animations that we made. So I'm going to look up perk, view model, jug, idle. Find next. View model, jug, idle. Find next. Okay, I'm going to scroll to the side. Whoa, where are you, bud? Gonna view model, jug, idle. Find next. Okay, come on, quit bullshitting me, game. View model, jug, idle. View model, jug, lower. Find next. View model, jug, idle. Find next. Come on, where did it go? Okay, jug, idle, too. Okay, this is still a Perca-Cola, so jug, drink. Perca-Cola, jug, lower. Perca-Cola, jug, drink. Perca-Cola, jug, drink. So you're just going to want to replace all of your animations. Perca-Cola, jug, lower. Perca-Cola, jug, drink. Perca-Cola, jug, lower. Perca-Cola, jug, drink. Perca-Cola, jug, lower. Since we're all done the animations, yep, we're all done the animations now. So now we're going to edit the world model. World model underscore jug. So now our weapon is done. So we are almost done, guys. We are at the end. So go to ZM perk, go to mod.csv, edit with Notepad++. So now you're going to choose which map you want your weapon on. So I want it on Kino der Toten. So I'm going to, there's a list made by Roland Math. Yeah, so it's on this one. So this is the basic tutorial on how to add weapons, but thing. So I'm going to go down here, go to his list, and this is for Zombie Theater, which is Kino der Toten. Copy all this, paste it into your mod.csv. So now we've got that, save it, and now go into your assets, add all of your materials that you added. So you're going to do this, you're going to go, fuck off, Steve. So you're gonna copy this, type in, no, this is my other mod.csv, material, and then a, fuck, what is that called? I don't even know. There's a period, and then there's a comma, I believe. Comma! So you're gonna, or whatever it's called. You can see what it is on the screen. Material. So we got one of our materials, so you're gonna do that for all the materials. So copy this. And now that I'm done with my materials, you type in X model, view model, jug, X model, world model, jug. And then we're doing the animation, so X anim, view model, jug, idle, X anim, view model, jug, drink, X anim, view model, jug, lower. So now we have all of our animations. So now we just need to add the weapon. So you're going to do weapon, comma, sp, slash, copy the name of the weapon. So I'm going to go into weapons, sp, zombie perk jug. Paste that in, save it. So now we have all of our weapons, and now we're just going to have to get the images. So when you made the materials in here, there is a picture name at the end here. So now there's a new files once you export these in your thing. So you're going to go to Call of Duty Black Ops, raw, images, and now look for the name of your file, the picture. It'll probably be before followed by like this thing, so you're going to want to look for it with that. Oh, whoops, touched that by accident. So you're going to go down here. So I'm looking for mine. It's going to be MTL, so it'll be down here. GMTL most likely. What's it called? ZMB perk. Oh, is it here? Let me find it. Okay, so oh, found it. So this is what one of them is. I'm only going to need 2 pictures, and the other one is going to be down here, and it's going to be the normal map. So MTL, perk, and NML. So you're going to want to copy both of these, go into Black Ops, Mods, ZM Perks, or whatever you named yours, New, Folder, Images, and paste them into there. So now go into your Call of Duty Mod Tools, reload your thing by clicking on it again, click on Weapons, click on Images, and now we need to add the map files. So you're going to want to download on Tom's website. He has an FF extractor. Where is that? I think it's down here. Tom's FF extractor. Probably. Where is it? Somewhere up here. I know it's on here. Tom's FF extractor. Where is it? I know it's somewhere here. Just let me look for it. Oh, here. Tom's Fast File Extractor. So you're going to want to download this. Go into Zone. Common. Scroll down to the map you want to do is Patch. So this right here. I'm going to open up the FF extractor, which is on my desktop. So you're going to want to drag this into that. It'll create a file. You go up to it, select everything inside of it, copy it. Wait. Mine is corrupted. Yours won't be. Yours is fine. So I'm just going to copy. You just do what I just did, copy everything in it. I'm just going to grab mine from the my other mod. So it's in. Yep, so I just copy these two. You should have maps and client scripts. I'm going to paste them in. Reload your mod. Click Link Fast File, Build IWD, and click Build Mod. And now we just wait for it to do its job. So now I believe it's done. So you're going to have a name of your thing, .iwd and mod.ff. Name your ZM perks to IW_42. Copy it. Go into main. Paste it. Replace if you have to, but you won't unless you installed a different mod. Go into mod.ff. Zombie theater patch, or whatever the patch is of your map. Paste that into your common file and load up your game. It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. So now I wait for this to load. That was a good one. So now, we're just waiting for it to load. Let's hope I didn't forget any images. No, it looks like I didn't forget any images. And it looks like I didn't break the map. So we're good. Hey! So, now that we're in, I am going to give myself some shit so it doesn't take forever to do the stuff. Go here. You don't have to do this part. I'm just doing it for the sake of making this go faster. Player 3 money, player 2 money, player 1 money. Copy that. Come on. Come on. I'm awaiting. So now you'll be able to see what the original drinking animation was. So this is the original drinking animation for the perk bottle. It looks very bland and ugly in my opinion. And now that I'm going down here, by the way, you can't drink Mule Kick if you make a mod. It breaks it. It says Mule Kick was added after the patches were released. So now I'll go up to Juggernog. Now let's hope I didn't fuck this up. You guys ready? You guys excited? I sure am. Yeah, see? Updated. Looks better, in my opinion. So that's all I have. That's how I add weapons. Here, let me look at that again. If you guys want more tutorials for the future, I can show you them for weapons and such. So let's look at this again. Doesn't look half bad. I like that bottle. Let's see if the bottle up here updated. There is a bottle there. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, right there. No, it didn't update. But it looks nice. So yeah, that was the tutorial. Leave a thumbs up, I guess, because I like whoring for likes.